Hello friends, I Sapna welcome you all on my YouTube channel UPTET Educare, Strike a Light for Learning. I am back with the lecture 3 and today we will study about the environmental education. So let's start. Environmental education. What is environmental education? Environmental education is a process aimed at developing a world population that is aware of and concerned about the total environment and its associated problems. Environmental education is a kind of process which helps in developing a world population which is very much aware and concerned about the total environment and its related problems. What are the objectives of environmental education? Basic knowledge and understanding of the environment and its interrelationship with man. There should be basic knowledge and understanding of the environment and its relationship with the man. And awareness of the environment and its problems. A person should be aware about the environment and its related problems. Then skills to solve environmental problems. A person should be very much skilled about in solving the problems related to the environment. Then ability to evaluate environmental measures and education programs. There should be ability to evaluate the measures of the environment and should conduct environmental programs as well. Then a sense of responsibility and urgency towards the environment so as to ensure appropriate actions to solve environmental problems. There should be a person should be very much responsible in saving the environment and should take proper measures and take proper actions to solve these problems related to the environment. Then need for public awareness. Why there is a need for creating awareness among the public? Due to the selfish and irresponsible manner of human beings, they have to face many serious problems. Means today the human beings are not very well aware about the problems related to the environment, and due to the selfish and irresponsible behavior of the human beings, they have to face lots of serious problems. Okay, the whole nature cycle is disturbed nowadays. Indifference and ignorance of people towards an environment and loss of values are the cause that give birth to many environmental problems. Means the people are not very well aware about the problems related to the environment. They ignore the issues related to the environment, and there is a loss of values, and all these factors give birth to the basic environmental problems. So there is an urgent need to create awareness among the people regarding the environment, regarding the problems related to the environment, and there is an urgency to save our environment. And why there is a need for creating awareness among the people about the environment? Because some of the points are given. Deforestation on large scale destroy the valuable vegetation cover of the area, which leads to an increase in the temperature. Means the deforestation is increasing day by day, and it will easily destroy the vegetation cover of that area where deforestation takes place, and which helps in increasing the temperature. The wildlife has to face many problems, and due to which even the wildlife has to face lots of problems. To stop this, it is necessary to nurture the importance of environment in the minds of people. So we have to stop this kind of deforestation. We have to create awareness among the people, and we should generate afforestation rather than deforestation, and we should create awareness among the people about the environment. Then only we can do lots of afforestation rather than deforestation. right? Then the poisonous gases from the vehicles pollute the environment. The vehicles create hazardous problems. The poisonous gas which came out of the vehicles, it also affect the environment and even the human beings, which is very injurious to human health. So it is necessary to create awareness about the environment and prevent the pollution. So there is a urgent need to create awareness among the different masses and prevent such kind of pollution. Then, as we all know that water is the basic necessity of life. The industries pollute water by discharging waste into it. The many big industries discharge the pollutant into the waters. It harms not only people drinking this water, it not only affect the health of the people who is consuming this water, but also fish in the river, but also the fishes, frogs living in the water. Thousands of living organisms living in the water or lakes. So, government has made various laws to check this. Government has taken many strict measures and made many laws in order to check this. But unless the industries become finally aware of this, but there is an urgent need to create awareness among the industries about this serious water pollution. Then only the big issue of water pollution can be solved. Then the people who threw the plastic bags in the water, who makes loud noise by breaking firecrackers, etc., are responsible for the deterioration of the healthy environment. Means the different kinds of people threw plastic bags in the water. Some people create loud noise by breaking firecrackers. Lots of human beings do various types of things that should not be done, because somehow it is affecting our environment and the health of the human beings as well. So there is an urgent need to create awareness among the people about the environment and its related problems. That's all for today. Thank you, class. We will meet on next Friday. If you like this session, please like and subscribe my channel and share among your friends. Thank you, class.